Alright, let's get into it. Could the IIIF150 Action A5 Pro be the ultimate rugged phone? If you're tired of those chunky, brick-like rugged devices, this thing might surprise you. It's just 8.2 mm thick and weighs 207 grams. Seriously, that's almost slim territory for a phone that can survive a drop in a mud puddle. Up front, you get a big 6.88-inch HD Plus display. It's not the sharpest out there, but it's plenty of screen for maps, messages, whatever you're up to. But the real twist? There's a 1-inch rear display. I love this. It's perfect for checking notifications or framing a selfie with the main camera. No awkward arm gymnastics required. Camera-wise, you've got a 16MP dual setup on the back and a basic 5MP selfie cam. These aren't going to win awards, but they'll get the job done for quick snaps and video calls. Powering it all is the Unisoc T603 and Android 15 Geo. It's entry-level hardware, but with 8GB RAM, well, 3GB real and 5GB virtual. It should handle multitasking just fine. And the storage? 256 gigs built in, and you can slap in a 2TB micro SD. That's nuts for a rugged phone. Battery life looks solid at 5,100 mAh, and you get all the rugged certifications. IP68, IP69K, MIL-STD 810H. This thing is built for real-world abuse. Think job sites, hiking trails, or just being a little clumsy. So, is the Action A5 Pro the ultimate rugged phone? If you want something tough, light, practical, and just a bit different, it's absolutely worth a look.